People, there is no single solution for air pollution that will clean our air magically. Because air pollution comes from different sources, therefore, there has to be multiple solutions working together to fix this issue. To clearly understand air pollution, we have to break down air pollution into different sectors that pollute our environment and the types of pollutants in our air. During this video, when we say PM 2.5 or PM10, it refers to the size of particulate matter or dust. For reference, the average human hair is 50 micrometers in diameters. That means PM 2.5 is 20 times smaller than the diameter of human hair, and PM1 is 50 times smaller than the diameter of human hair. It is invisible to our human eyes and ultra hazardous. If we look at the data from the National Clean Air Program launched by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, as you see in this graph, the dust and construction sectors contributes to 38% of PM 2.5 concentrations in Delhi, followed by industries at 22% and vehicles at 17% during summer. While in winter, industries contribute 30%, vehicles at 28%, followed by dust and construction activities at 17%. If we add up the summer and winter data, 55% of PM 2.5 particulate matter concentrations is coming from dust and construction activities alone. But that's not the full story. The air we breathe contains various pollutants, which vary based on geographic locations and human activities, like particulate matter, gases, heavy metals, organic pollutants, greenhouse gases, biological pollutants, and secondary pollutants. Here's a comparison of various sources of particulate matter. For PM10, the various sources are road dust, construction activities, and natural dust storms. For PM2.5, the sources are vehicle emissions, industrial processes, wildfires, and construction dust. For the ultra-fine particulate matter, the sources are combustion engines, power plants, and certain industrial processes. Here's a comparison of various pollutant dominance by region. For the urban and industrial areas, PM 2.5, NOx, VOCs, and ground level ozone are the dominant pollutants, and they're coming from vehicle exhaust, industrial emissions, and construction dust. WHO cites PM 2.5 as the primary cause of air pollution related diseases worldwide. While that is true, ultrafine particulate matter like PM 0.1 to PM 2.5 is even more hazardous, as it can be directly inhaled, entering the bloodstream and causing damage to heart, lungs, and other organs of the body. Recognizing these challenges, innovative startups are developing new approaches. One such approach is our flagship product PAMARES, or Particulate Matter Reduction System. While PAMARES focuses on particulate matter, which is the key component of urban air pollution, addressing other pollutants like NOx and SOx requires complementary strategies like stricter emission control. The most effective way to address air pollution is by addressing the root cause. Our government has taken a great initiative with the National Clean Air Program NCAP, with a target to reduce 40% of particulate matter in more than 100 cities. I will attach a link in our description to learn more about NCAP. While addressing the root cause of pollution is a long-term imperative, the immediate health crisis demands immediate solution. We can't just let people die due to air pollution while we work on long-term solutions. As we work towards a sustainable future, interim measures like PAMARES offers a proven sustainable approach to significantly improve air quality and public health. Watch this video to learn more about PAMARES. The air we breathe should be clean, but so should the methods we use it to clean. Let's demand solutions that are not only effective but also environmentally responsible. Together, we can make a difference.